The galvanized lids that I use can be purchased at any hardware store. They are not very expensive at all. Flip them over, wash them with dishwashing liquid, get any factory residue off them. Plug up the little holes where the handles meet, flip them. The depth is perfect for these. Put some rocks in there. You can get the solar fountains on Amazon, super cheap. I have 2 of them in the yard. They're fantastic. Mount them anywhere on just about anything, and the birds will instantly be attracted to these. In our case, we have a large yard here, and we've seen birds, and the squirrels like them, and chipmunks, and it's a lot of fun. The movement of the water from the solar fountain attracts them immediately. The bees love it. It's a cheap way out. 2 of these cost me about $34. That's super cheap, easy to do, fun, they look good, and good luck with that. And when you're done watching the video, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to do more videos of this kind. Thank you very much. Have a great day.